shooting an update video on my truck. This is with the evil headlights that I made out of a set of headlight covers. Then we got all that fun stuff down there. S476. Winter rims. All that fun shit. Let me show the new tail lights. Yeah, stay tuned this weekend here. I'm going to be lowering it even more than it already is. Ladder bars are going to need adjusted. All that stuff. But yeah, stay tuned this weekend and we'll be lowering this bitch down. And then in the springtime, we'll put the old fucking Moto metal back on it, and then a new set of tires there to run it the strip. So stay tuned. All right, have a good one.